Guys, so I tried a new trend in nail polish today. How does everyone feel about highlighter nails? Do you have any idea how many coats of nail polish are on my nails right now to get it? It's so bright and springy. It was totally worth the day and a half that it's been on my nails without chipping. Hello everyone, I'm here today to share with you guys a new testing of a product, a full day wear test on a product that I saw online. It was new to Sephora. I thought it was a very interesting concept, and so I wanted to test it out and see if it actually worked. And it is the Guerlain La Petite Robe Noire. Oh, man, I am butchering the French language. Anyone get that reference? Anyone? Just me? You Americans butcher the French language. Hey, it's end of day, Rachel. Just popping in here and interrupting this video for a moment. Surprisingly enough, this is only the second time that I've Kanye'd myself. But I just wanted to hop on here really quickly and let you know there won't be a new video on this Tuesday. From now until the end of the summer, I am doing new videos on Tuesdays every other week. There will still be new videos every Sunday and every Thursday, and also on RachhLoves Life every Saturday. But I just have a lot of really exciting projects coming up. We have some family vacations coming up, and I just want to be able to juggle everything the best that I can. Little heads up for you all in case you're here on Tuesday and you're like, what happened to Rachel? All really good things, all exciting things. Like, I am pumped and like super excited about everything. But yeah, now I will let you get back to the video that you originally were here to watch, and I'm just gonna get out of the way now. It is their lip color ink, which they describe as a new generation of a lip color that is supposed to be super wearable, super intense once you build it up, but it's very customized. Let's try that again. That's supposed to last for 8 hours without any transfer, and it's supposed to be very customizable, so you could put it on one coat and get a very soft, almost like a stain-like effect, or you can build it up to 3 coats and get super saturated color. And I mean, that in and of itself is fine. It's nothing super groundbreaking. I wasn't super like over the top wowed and excited about it. Still was gonna try it though, let's be honest. But what was really actually super intriguing about this whole lineup is one particular shade that they have launched within it, which is supposed to be like a lip customizer. And what this lip transformer, as they call it, is supposed to do is add a customizable angle to any of the lip colors that you have. So you can pair it with a beige tone or a bright pink or a dark purple, and it's going to like change up and customize that shade to create something entirely different from the lip colors that you may already have. So now, instead of having one nude pink look, you can layer on different levels of this transformer to create like maybe 3 or 4 different shades. And what's also kind of fun about it is it's blue. I don't know how it's gonna look, but we're gonna test it out. So I figured what I would do is I would test it with one of the other lip colors. So I chose like a raspberry pink shade, and then also test it with other liquid lipsticks that I own and see if it's going to also transform those. Because like, this is great and all, but if I can't use this with other liquid lipsticks that I own, like I'm out. I'm not buying like a whole range of Guerlain shades just to make them customizable. So that was a really long-winded introduction. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you do. Don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell down below. Is it down here? No, it's not. It's over here. So you don't miss out when new videos go live. And without further ado, let's get into this. So now that we're nice and zoomed in, I think to start with, when I'm just using this bright pink shade, is I'm going to divide my lips into 4. And I'm gonna have one quadrant with just the raspberry pink, one with like 1 layer of the blue, and then one with 2 layers, one with 3, just to see how customizable this actually is. And there is 0 instruction anywhere on whether I'm supposed to mix it on my hand first, or I'm supposed to do like the blue layer first and then the pink, or the pink and then the blue. Like, there's nothing. So we're just gonna see what happens. I'm gonna start by taking off my lip balm, and I guess on one quadrant I will just do this pink shade. First of all, the smell is it's like a chemically fruit. Wow, not quite half there, Rachel. It's fine. No, it's not. I need it to be very precise. So that's one coat right there. It's very soft, very easy to apply. It feels like nothing on my lip right now. Like literally nothing. It's very pretty. Let's see if it transfers. Like, not really. There's like a teeny tiny little bit, and it seems to have transferred to my upper lip a little bit. All right, now let's try 1 layer of the blue. Whoa. That is blue. Why am I blotting my lips together? I don't want it to transfer onto the upper lip. So the blue color is really streaky. It's not like settling in really nicely on my lips there. Not loving that so far. Now I'm gonna do a layer of the pink over the blue. Let's dyed my stick blue. Cool. The color I ended up with here is very different from this one. Like, this doesn't look cute though. I feel like I need to like layer it all over and try again. But I think I'm going to do the pink one first this time. Now I have to wait for it to dry. And while that dries, let's just see what happens when I add another layer to this pink side. It's a really pretty shade. I like it. All right, let's put the blue on top of it this time. I don't know about you, but that just looks blue to me. All right, well that didn't work. And lastly, I'm gonna try and mix it together in advance and then put it on my lips. And that one's very purple. I mean, it is different, but I don't want to have to like mix them on like a little tray and then apply it to my lips. I want it to be like a nice soft sheer layer of this and then put another coat on of something else and kind of like mix it together. So I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna try like all over my lips to kind of like blend everything together, you know? So then I decided to take the pink shade and do 3 layers, which by the way is really, really pretty. You can see it builds up to a very pretty pink shade, and then put a layer of the blue on top, just a sheer layer, again, to sort of transform it. And you can see it is very streaky. It's not sitting well. It's sort of shifting around a little and not looking super great. So I thought maybe if I added another layer of the blue, that would sort of change it around. It's just very patchy and streaky. I like the idea, but it's not really translating for me. So now I'm gonna see what happens if I use like a nude color. Then I'm going to apply the blue with a lip brush. So that made it sort of like a stone gray. Let's see what happens if we combine it with like a red liquid lipstick. Blobs of blue on. Okay, it kind of deepens it. I kind of like that color. That's kind of pretty. And there it is after 2 blobs of blue kind of mixed in. Like that's a pretty shade. So you can see I've kind of boosted up the lighting a little so you guys can see the color a little better. It did make it more cool toned. It's actually a really pretty shade. I like it. It's a little streaky. It was a lot of work to get it there. Like, I don't think this is worth it. So as a transformer, this I think is just useless. Definitely not doing what I think it's supposed to do or what I expected it to do. But I am kind of curious because I am here anyway. Might as well test out the longevity of this color, which is actually really pretty. So I will put this one on and show you guys what it looks like. All right, now we have 3 layers of the lip stain on. It's really pretty. I actually even like it when it's just like one stain. It's just this like wash of color that's really, really pretty. I will say though, it's a little bit sticky. Like, and also in just doing that, I seem to be like moving around some of the product and now it's all patchy, so that's great. But regarding the whole purpose of this video, which was to test out this transformer to see how good it was, I was not impressed. I don't think this is worth it at all. It was a really streaky formula, so even if you wanted to use it as a blue lipstick, I think there are better ones out there. Also, in terms of how it would change the formula at all, like yes, it changed the color, but it also made it more patchy, which is not the look that I'm going for. It also was a huge pain. Like it looks like from the applicator that you should just be able to spread it on your lips and it gives a nice sheer wash and it mixes in with the formula underneath and creates this nice, beautiful change of tone. But if you're supposed to like take this, like swipe it off on the side of something and use a lip brush to apply it, like this isn't even great for doing that. Like there should be like a brush where you can get more product out and make it a little bit easier to mix and match. But like this just overall, I was not impressed with, so not worth it. And I'm really disappointed that it was not what I thought it was gonna be. But now I'm gonna go about my day. We'll see how long wearing this is. We'll see what it looks like by the end of the day. I am gonna touch up this little patchy spot right here because it's driving me crazy. And then I will check in with you guys tonight. Okay guys, it is the end of the day and like I have to say, I'm pretty impressed. The stickiness did dry down, which was really important. And it really was like pretty transfer proof. Like my son, he was like obsessed with the fact that I had a really bright lip on and he kept like touching it and like really disappointed that nothing came off on his finger. It's not paint, I don't understand. So the fact that I didn't have to worry about it getting on their clothes or getting on my food or anything, that was really, really nice. It's worn off like a little bit in and around this area, but not a significant amount. And I did have a fairly hefty number of layers on by that point. So I would definitely keep it to probably around 2. I wouldn't venture past like a thin 3 layers. So this color and formula I actually really liked and I will continue to wear it. So now, since it's Sunday and you're in your pajamas watching YouTube videos, you're in pajamas, right? Like you're not doing Sunday right if you're not in pajamas. You should go and check out Thursday's video where I share with you guys some drugstore products that are brand new. I had been testing them out for the last couple of weeks and want to share with you guys my favorites and my least favorites, and like where to spend the money, where to save your money. Because there were a lot of products there I feel like you could save your money on. But I hope you guys are having an amazing, amazing weekend and we'll see you guys all in my next video. Love you girls. Mwah.